Chris is gonna toss my apple. Couple more. Obstacle avoidance. Obstacle avoidance. Like, dude, why are you trying to hit this guy? What's he done to you? A lot. Yeah, I tried to steer into you and it wouldn't do it. So let's see how an apple does. For this part, all right, outtakes, bloopers. Let's see how an apple does. For this part, all right.
How about you stand on the uphill?
Me stand uphill?
Yeah.
Oh, so we look more.
So you don't look shorter than what you
All right.
already are.
All right. Very few people can accuse me of being short. So now we're gonna try the apple. And to help me with this test, I got my pal, Butterfingers here. Don't wanna throw out a shoulder, break a hip.
Do I really have to be the obstacle?
Yes.
Do I really have to be the obstacle?
Stop your whining, Chris. That's pretty good.
He's nervous. I wonder why. Mama always said don't play with your food.
Mm-hmm. All right, I think you should hit him pretty hard. Yep. Yeah, we're rolling here, rolling there. Go for it. Ooh. So, if you have a choice between an Apple and a Mavic 3, I think you should probably pick the Apple.
Apple's fine.
Oh, good, good. All right, so let's do that whole bit one more time.
Somehow that don't make sense to me just all in one shot, but what do I know?
Uh,
I'm just a refrigeration guy. He's
Yeah,
the guy
yeah.
with the filming degree.
Well, this is his vision, but it's gonna be great. Oh, good shot, Kai. I think you better go check on him.
All right.
And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, there's a lot to think about here, but at the end of the day, it seems like the Apple might be the better choice. What do you think, Kai?
Obviously the Apple is the better choice.
Chris?
Definitely the apple.
And by the way, April Fools, everyone. Hope you're having a great day.